Islamabad, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif on Wednesday stressed the need for working together to enhance cooperation between Pakistan and France in areas of trade and investment and invited French companies to invest in Pakistan. The Prime Minister made these remarks during a meeting with Ambassador of France in Islamabad Nicolas Gailly, who paid a courtesy call on him. PM Shehbaz invited the French companies to invest in Pakistan and welcomed the initiative of the French side to bring corporate leaders from top French companies to Pakistan soon on a visit. The Prime Minister, who was accompanied by Foreign Minister Shehbaz and Sap Tariq Fatmi, said that stabilization of the economy was on top of the government's agenda. Initiatives discussed to attract and retain top talent in country. Tarar seeks strong business ties with UAE. The ambassador handed over a congratulatory letter from French Prime Minister Gabriel Attal addressed to Prime Minister Shehbaz on his re-election. The Prime Minister thanked the French leadership for the message of greetings. He said that Pakistan enjoyed friendly and cordial relations with France and, although the relationship had undergone a difficult phase a few years